Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I've started this painting and it is not exactly much good. So what I have decided is just to put these colours that I have, which are light blue, turquoise, cyan blue, light brown, chocolate, orange and gold. And I don't know what more I can do with it, so I'm going to swipe it and see if I can't at least resurrect something. And I might put some more dark blue on because that's rather pretty. Now there's silicone in each of the colours, so I'm not expecting too much. I have kind of shaken them up a bit. And here goes the white. Need to squirt this out. Right, so that's that. Disappointing, but there's some light blue too, why not? Swipe with blue and white. Might be pretty. It might turn out pretty good. Now, the cloth. I know I have some. Where is another? Oops, there it is. Just as I go to open another packet, I find it. Right. Some water on here. Don't need a lot. Right. Hopefully it won't be a loss. So the recipes for these paints, over you go, and the pouring medium, you'll find below below this video. Let me spit it out. Under show more. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. And you're more than welcome to come and join us there. Put some of this colour on the edges. Get rid of these clumpy cloth. Ugh. Right. Now, actually, I'm going to do that again. Not all that damp, but it'll be okay, I think. Bring out the lovely colours. Just leave the blue. That's better. Much better. There we go. Now just let him run down a bit. Oh, you can see how much paint I've got. And just let it go right down, and then I'll take it back the other way. Okay, so that's coming up very pretty now. Oops. Let it go back down. So now it's starting. Got it. Really nice, brilliant background. I don't exactly know what I can put on this one, but yeah, it's got to go this way because it won't sit on that. Okay. I'm just going to, look at that, wipe my hands and give it a little torch. See if any magic happens. I hope it does. Well, that's really pretty. Just put that up so I'm not getting it on me. Yep. Lots of cells coming up. They'll continue to grow for the next little minute. I'll just bring you down to have a closer look. And the colours are really pretty, the blues and the browns. A bit of gold in there just to spark it up. And the orange just tweaking through. So that's quite good. Wrong way, that way. So this is what I've been looking at. Canvas is a bit large to get into the full swing of things. Okay, that's focused. As you can see, it's really pretty. Quite earthy. Yes, very nice. So as I said, the recipe for the paints and the pouring meeting below the video under Show More, along with a link to Australia Art Dreaming. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. Please give this one the thumbs up, I appreciate that when people do that for me, and thank you very much for watching. Phew, that's a lot to say. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.